Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry about the setup I've got going on here today. It's a bit tricky setting this all up, but I've got an exciting video. I've got a bucket of water here, I have got some alginate, and I've got some silicone rubber and some pigment and loads of little tools going on here because today I'm going to be trying to making my own silicone hand. So, like I said, I apologise for the setup I've got going on here today. It's probably the best I can get it really because I've only got a mini tripod. But yeah, I've got the alginate and I want to try and make my own silicone hand because I've been looking online, I really wanted one, and it generally costs about £100, if not like around 80 or around about that. So I thought I'd try and make my own because it does work out cheaper. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's either going to be a gone wrong video or a sort of like tutorial on how to make your own, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to crack straight on. Basically, I've got this alginate powder, it's 500 grams. I need to add 1.5 litres of water to the powder. So you've got to mix the water with the powder, pour water onto powder and stir for 30 seconds. Mould by immersing or applying. Immerse object / body part into mixture or apply to object / body part. 3. Setting and demoulding. After setting mixture feels rubbery, slowly remove the object / body part from the mould. Then pour mould, mix casting material and fill the mould. So setting time, you've got water at 15 degrees be 3 to 4 minutes. Water at 30 degrees 1 to 2 minutes. So it's very quick, you've got to work really quickly. I've watched quite a lot of videos on this now, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. We're just going to go with it and see what happens, but I have realised I've got water in the pan when I meant to have the powder in the pan first, so I'm going to do a quick swap around and then I'll be back. So as you can see, I've got the powder in here now, quite a lot of it actually. It's actually starting to turn purple because I have water in the pan. So what I've got to do now is slowly add the water, mix it up as quickly as I can within 30 seconds and get it into my moulds. Alright, so I'm just going to go with it and pour it in quickly. I'm like proper panicking because I really don't want it to set. Right, okay, so I have pre-done my hands, so I'm going to go straight in. So as you can see, it's going white. That was all a bit rushed and a bit panicked, so I didn't really see a lot. But you've literally just got to like mix it in as quickly as you can, get it into your mould and get whatever piece of your body you're trying to sort of recreate in the mould ASAP. And as you would have noticed, it did go purple and it's now turning white, which means it's setting. You've got to try and keep as still as you possibly can. There's a good risk of air bubbles. This could be a complete disaster, but we shall see. I actually thought it was going to be more than what it was. It doesn't quite actually cover my hands, so I'm a bit nervous about that. But hopefully it'll be okay. Just got to try and keep as still as you possibly can, which is never easy. And it's definitely feeling like it might have set. I just don't know if to take my hand out or not yet. Right, so I think I'm going to try and take my hand out now. It feels pretty set. It feels like really quite hard and sort of rubbery. So there we go. That is my cast of my hand. So time to go on to the silicone and get that mixed up and in. Okay, so I'm sorry for the rush in that first bit there, but now we have got the silicone rubber. You get a part A and a part B. As soon as these are combined together, they will start setting. So if you're adding any pigment or flocking powder into these, then you need to make sure you sort of keep them separate until you've got the colour you want, then mix them together and get them in there quick. So I'm going to do that. I have got those two then. Then I have got this silicone colour pigment, sort of like a skin colour. Apparently these two do sort of set as a translucent beige, but I thought I'd get the extra pigment. It only costs like £4 or something, just to make sure I do get that true skin colour. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think, is probably mix the part A with some pigment first. So I'm just going to pour all of that one in there. I really hope I got enough. That's the only thing I wasn't really too sure of, was the measurements, because I've noticed a lot of people seem to be using like a lot. I'm not really too sure about how much pigment to add either. Yeah, I'm literally just going to add like a tiny little amount to start off with. And then I'm going to go in with part B. Okay, then going into the mould. Wish me luck. There we go then, guys. So I guess we'll leave that one set. It's going to take a couple of hours, so I'll go back to you then and we'll see how it's turned out. So wish me luck. So guys, it is the moment of truth. It's been a couple of hours now. I have left it to set. It is proper firm. So here's the moment of truth. Up, 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 up. Oh my god. Wow, look at that. I'm so happy. Words cannot even explain how happy I am right now. That's so creepy. Definitely got a few air bubbles in there. But nothing major, considering I've never done this before. I'm going to try and do another one. I'm going to try and do the middle finger because I'd quite like a finger. So it's actually now been a couple of days. I'm trying so hard to create a functional video out of this. I'm just really not having much luck, so I do apologise on that one. It is a bit of a mess of a video, I know. But here we go. This is the hand again. I've actually put some nails on it now. I'm a little bit stuck on how I'm actually meant to go about using this. I have basically like added primer and super glued these nails, sort of put them on, sort of like act as the natural nails. But I am generally really happy with how the hands turned out. Unfortunately, apparently it does pick up fluff like there's no tomorrow. Like one of my hairs on there. Yeah, it's picking up a lot of fluff, but overall hand is very good. I also realised it's actually got like my own fingerprints and everything in it, so I'm pretty impressed with that. I have done the finger. I'm well impressed with it. Literally looks like so much like my real finger. It's more sort of realistic with the skin colour because I have found that this one's quite pale, but I don't want to go over the top with the pigment because the pigment can affect how it sets. So I was a little bit more generous with the finger. The finger's definitely come out pretty well. It's hell of a creepy. I showed my sister and she said it made her tummy feel funny, so it's definitely creepy. My son wasn't too impressed either. I showed him it and he ran to the other side of the room, so yeah, I guess it's a success kind of on it being realistic looking. So yeah, like I said, in order to make these it cost me £26 altogether, but when you think that, like, if you look at most places that sell these, they're charging like between £80 to £100 for just the hand, and in some cases literally just the four fingers, not even a thumb. So me being able to do a full hand and a finger for £26, I'm really happy. The only thing is on my behalf, I feel like I didn't buy enough algitate and maybe I should have used a more narrow pot when doing the hand, because I wanted the hand to sort of extend more to the wrist, but I'm pretty happy. So like I said, I will link all the products that I used for this down in the description box below with the links, so you can have a look yourself and just sort of see, you know, not everyone has got the money to be able to buy a hand like this. Like myself, I haven't got the money to buy a hand like this. It's just too expensive, especially with Christmas coming up. And you know, if I can do it, then you guys can do it too, because I don't have much luck in anything I do really. And if this has turned out okay, then you know, I'm sure I have complete faith in you guys that it will turn out well for you too. So don't hesitate, you know, save yourself some money and have a go at making your own. It literally took me all about 10 minutes to make the mask, do the silicone and get it in the pot. Like, yes, it does take a couple of hours to fully set, but the actual like hard work process only took me about 5-10 minutes. It was really quick and easy and I can't fault it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to cut this video off now because I've been yabbering on for ages. Like I said, I do apologise for the rather dysfunctional video that I've got going on here. I really wanted it to be a good video, but it might be a bit all over the place, and I do apologise for that. But I hope you've enjoyed it anyway. I hope it's given you some encouragement to do your own if you would like one. And yeah, if you haven't already, check out my giveaway that I'm currently doing. If you're interested in winning a few prizes, be sure to check out that video. I will link it up here now. And then yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, like the video, subscribe, comment down below your thoughts. Much love to you all, and I'll see you in the next one.